Schools for classes 10th and 12th in Goa reopened on Saturday after being shut for nearly 8 months due to the COVID 19 pandemic. The state government has asked the school to strictly observe the COVID 19 standard operating procedures like thermal screening of students, hand sanitizing, wearing of masks, social distancing in classrooms. The government had decided to allow the schools to reopen from November 21st onwards for classes 10th and 12th in the initial phase. Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, who also holds the education portfolio, had announced on November 4th that all the COVID-19 safety protocols would have to be followed by these institutions. Reacting to state government's decision to reopen schools for 10th and 12th standard, MLA Rohan Khaute raises concern over the safety of the students. MLA Rohan Khaute took to social media and said the following: Mumbai schools not to open in 2020 given the safety concerns. Haryana government shut schools within 2 weeks of opening. CMO Goa should learn lessons from proactive leadership of CMO Maharashtra or let Haryana be a cautionary tale. Why must we endanger more lives at this point? Is it more important to create an illusion of normalcy than work safety of our children and goikars? Questions MLA Rohan Khaute. What do you think about Goa state government's decision to reopen school for 10th and 12th standard? Comment below and let us know. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.